In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can manage your brushes inside of Adobe Fresco. So the brushes, you can find them here. And as you can see here, we can see all my brushes. I also have brushes imported from the Fresco site itself, which you can do so here. When you click the Add Brushes, you can discover new brushes or import from files if you've downloaded from somewhere else. So the Discover New Brushes gives you this window here, and here you can choose which brush you want to add, which will then be added at the bottom here. Now what you can also do is when you have selected a brush and you use it often, you can give this brush a star to make it your favorite brush, and it will then become a favorite brush and be added to the favorites menu here. Just deselect the star to unfavorite it. What you can also do is select the brush, click on it again, and then you can say save as a new brush, which you can then adjust if you want to. You can include a color, you can choose where you want to save it, and then you can save this one as a new brush. Now we have this 3 dots here on top of the brushes, and this one gives you the option to manage your brushes. Now here you can choose if you want to show or hide all your brushes. For example, if you've downloaded brushes, let's say this mega pack, and you don't want to see it in your brushes here, you can then disable it here, and now it won't be shown. So you press done, you then go to your brushes. There won't be a mega pack here because I disabled it. So yeah, you can also hide it here when you click it, and you click it again, you can choose hide. So click a brush, click it again. This one I can't hide. Click a brush, click it again, and you can hide it. So that's how you can manage your brushes, add new brushes or hide brushes in Adobe Fresco. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.